Mystery for Just Nailed It, and we are here today with a little Aliexpress haul, which means some inexpensive nail art. I'm going to start with these beautiful, beautiful pink letters. They're all caps. I have these in a few different colors, and I love having these. These are great. I have got some dried flowers. It does not say the company. It just says nail art here. But I love using these, doing encapsulation with acrylics. From Full Beauty, it has more dried flowers. Love, love, love. And I bought this very large quantity of striping tape. I'm going to pick out a few colors and keep for myself. The rest I'm putting in for giveaways. I do not remember how much this was. I know this was relatively cheap with either very, very low shipping or no shipping whatsoever. I think Inari is the one that found this for me. Let me get my other stuff over here. See those for last. Alright, alright, alright. We have got some pigments here. And I don't know if you'll be able to see the color here through this. Looks like it is a hollow. Here it is on the cap, as well as in here. How beautiful is that? Love having these. So put that back in here. I have got a green. This color here I'm not too certain on. This is the same as the first one that I showed, so I got two of those. Might put that in for a giveaway, I'm not sure. I have got some nail stickers here. These are some beautiful flowers, kind of sort of all different kinds. Plus the word beautiful, charm, flower. But those are really super cute. Look at these, looky, looky. I cannot wait to use these. These are going to come in so handy right now. Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Love these. I'm not sure if I have links still to any of these. You can ask and I will try to find if you need. But aren't these adorable? I think these are just too cute. And then we have got some cactuses. With a few word phrases. These would be water decals. And these are stickers, it says. These are really super cute. You could use these at Valentine's, Sweetest Day, any type of a love manicure. Really cute on those too. Really cute. Next we have got some foils. Look at this beautiful butterfly foil. I think that is just gorgeous. And here we have got some chromes. I'm not going to open these. These are all chromes. There's probably about 10 different colors maybe. And here's some. You can see in here there is a Louis Vuitton. butterfly, flowers, roses, leaves. I think these are just gorgeous. See a little bit of everything in here. Just try to keep everything organized. And then I made shoe sets and nails. This is an extra large coffin nail, extra long. Can't wait to use these. I've really been wanting those. And these are some short coffin nails. If I put these in flexi, they're going to be short. Carly Marie will have stubby nubbins, but we can still use them. Last from no fuel here. Full Beauty. We have got some neon pigments. Some pink, blue, green, and orange. I definitely will be using these neons very soon here. Here, this last one. I doubt that you can see it. So it looks like it could be something you could use for a unicorn. Some flakies. So I don't know. Gotta show the neons. Our second to our last item are some gems. I think these are really super cute. They're all kind of different colors in here. Different sizes. Let me get my little tray. Look how beautiful these are. I think these are just gorgeous. Kind of makes me wish I would ordered more than one. So, this brings us to the end of part 1. Part 2 has some gels in it that I want to swatch out. So that'll be our next Aliexpress. Hope you've liked my goodies. Like if there's anything you see here you want to know the price of or the link, you can ask and I will do my best to find it for you. This beautiful little object was also in my package. I have no recollection of ordering it. I had no idea what it was. And then I figured it out. It's a spinner. I don't even know where to go with this. I think this is a beautiful object. The colors, I think, are stunning. I just don't feel that... I don't know how to... I don't see me having a need for a spinner. I mean, yes, it's kind of cool. But I don't know. It came. Here it is. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I might give that to someone. I'm really not sure. So, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all my goodies here today. I think I got some real goodies. Definitely got bargains on all of them. And Ari helped me find some of the stuff. With free shipping, of course. So that was a great thing. Very low prices. Gotta check out Aliexpress for your nail art needs and even for your other random everyday stuff. It'll take 3 weeks to get it to you, but maybe a month. I'm waiting on some stuff from back in May, which one object said it would be delivered in April. And that's just unacceptable. Unacceptable. Well, leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future video giveaways and any information I feel you may need to know. Stay tuned because we do have a giveaway coming up. It is going to be designer nail art stickers. It will be open worldwide. I think I'm going to do 2 winners instead of 1. Give them three sheets each. I think that'd be kind of cool. So, this brings us to the end of our video. We will see you in the next one. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.